Honorable members, please be seated. Item number 1, question R. Start question number 1.
Madam Speaker, म्हाका सभागृहा फुडें एक गंभीर विषय मांडपाचो आसा. माझो फोन टॅप जाता.
What proof you have?
आयच्या पेपरात तशी बातमी येयल्या.
पेपरान दिल्ल्यो गजाली आमकां हांगा नाका.
नाका कशें मॅडम स्पीकर, आमच्यो सगळ्यो गजाली सरकाराक पयलींच खबर आसता.
This is question R. I have announced it.
Suspend the question R. This is not Madam Speaker.
No, I am not taking it.
Madam Speaker, माझ्या एकट्याचो न्हू, माझ्या पार्टींतलो आनी 2-3 जाणांचो फोन टॅप जाता.
Honorable member, you please be seated. You please sit down. This is question R. Please maintain silence.
Madam Speaker, आमकां कसली गरज त्यांच्या फोन टॅप करपाची? Don't make dangerous allegations.
तुमकां कसली गरज आसा आमचे फोन टॅप करपाची? त्या करप्शनाच्या भानगडीत तुमचे 2 मंत्री आसा न्हू, तेंची नांवां आमी जाणा. म्हणून तुमी आमचे
Honorable opposition leader, please be seated.
No, Madam Speaker. This is violation of privacy. The telephone is tapped without Home Secretary's permission. आमच्यो खासगी खबरो हेंका कश्यो कळटात? This is violation of Supreme Court guidelines. हांव पुलिसांक वॉर्निंग दीत आसा.
You please be seated. This is question R.
जाल्यार केस फायल करताना आमी फाटी फुडें विचार करचे ना मॅडम स्पीकर.
Honorable members, please cooperate. You please be seated.
मॅडम स्पीकर, आता ती नवीन मशीन आयला न्हू, ती गाडयेन घालून गावता आणि ती गाडी कोणाच्या घरा फुडें हाडून ठेवपाची. आमकां कसली गरज तांचो फोन टॅप करपाची?
म्हणजे तुम्ही जाणा तर हे सगळे, म्हणजे तुम्हीच आमचे फोन टॅप करता. ना मॅडम स्पीकर, हे चूक आम्ही
Honorable members, please be seated. Honorable members, please be seated. This is question R. I have announced it. You please sit down. Honorable, this is question R. You please sit down. Nothing will go on record. I am calling. You please sit down. Nothing will go on record. The opposition is blaming the government just to attract the attention of public. I am requesting the MLAs to behave properly. Public is watching this on television. Please maintain the decorum and dignity of the house. Yes, Honorable Opposition Leader, Ms. Karishma Pangam.
Madam Speaker, start question number 1. Will the Honorable Minister be pleased to state what action the government has taken regarding the report submitted by Shankaran Committee on improvements of the standards of Gomantak University?
Honorable CM, Mr. Naik.
Madam Speaker, the recommendations of the committee is been examined by Education Department. The improvements suggested by committee will be implemented in 6 months.
Madam Speaker, I would like to know from our Honorable Minister whether there are any new proposals for starting up of private universities in this state.
Honorable CM.
Madam Speaker, as far as the private universities are concerned, 5 national level private universities have expressed their intention in writing. The government has in principle given approval for opening up of 4 such universities.
एके वटेन हे सरकार युनिव्हर्सिटीचो दर्जो वाडोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता. दुसरे वटेन गोंयांत प्रायव्हेट युनिव्हर्सिटीक परमिशनूय दितात. बाकीच्या राज्यांनी पळयात कितें घडटात ते. ह्यो प्रायव्हेट युनिव्हर्सिटी विद्यार्थ्यांक अक्षरशः लुटतात.
Yes, Honorable Opposition Leader, please continue.
Madam Speaker, what study the government has done to see that these institutions are actually required to be set up? हांव म्हणटा ह्या विद्यापीठांची गरज तरी कित्याक निर्माण जाल्या?
Yes, Honorable CM.
Madam Speaker, काही खासगी विद्यापीठांनी नवे अभ्यासक्रम सुरू केला. नॅनो टेक्नॉलॉजी, बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी, स्पेस सायन्स आणि इंजिनियरिंगचे ॲडव्हान्स कोर्सेस आमच्या विद्यापीठांना एक कोर्स सुरू करपाचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर उभारपाक आमच्याकडे फंडूय ना.
फोन खंयचो आसतलो? असलेल्या पैशांनी तुम्ही तुमचीच बॉल्स भरता.
Yes, Honorable MLA, Ms. Urjita Kedekar.
मॅडम स्पीकर, फाटल्या 10 वर्सांत सरकारान गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या बजेटांत कपात केल्या. 10 वर्सां पयलीं सगळे खर्च 500 कोटी आशिल्ले. आता ते सगळे खर्च 520 कोटी.
Honorable MLA, तुमचो प्रश्न कितें आसा?
मॅडम स्पीकर, म्हाका जाणून घेवपाक जाय की सरकारान टप्प्याटप्प्यान गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या बजेटांत कपात कित्याक केल्या?
Yes, Honorable CM.
मॅडम स्पीकर, फाटल्या 10 वर्सां हेंचेच सरकार असले. हेंच्याच आदल्या मंत्र्यांनी हे सगळें केलां.
मॅडम स्पीकर, हे सगळें कितें ते आदल्या सरकाराचेर ब्लेम घालता. पूण 5 वर्सां पयलीं हांचेच सरकार आशिल्ले. तांणी कसले नवीन कोर्स इंट्रोड्यूस केले त्या टायमार?
Honorable CM.
Madam Speaker, in the last 10 years, only MBA course was introduced. For introducing new courses only, this government has taken initiative and has appointed a committee.
मॅडम स्पीकर, पूण उच्च शिक्षणाच्या खर्चान कपात करप हे बरोबर न्हय. हाचे फाटल्यान वर्ल्ड बँकेचो हात आसा. IAS ऑफिसर वर्ल्ड बँकेचे आयकता आणि उच्च शिक्षणाचो पैसो प्राथमिक शिक्षणाकडेन डायवर्ट करता. वर्ल्ड बँकेक आमच्या देशाचो शैक्षणिक विकास जावचो अजिबात दिसना स्पीकर मॅडम.
Honorable MLA, तुम्ही सभागृहाचो असो वेस्ट करू नकात. तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारात.
मॅडम स्पीकर, हो विषय गंभीर आसा. उच्च शिक्षणात जर तुम्ही इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करना जाल्यार आमच्या देशात तंत्रज्ञान विकसित जावचे ना आणि खासगी विद्यापीठां आपल्याक जाय तो आणि आपल्याच फायद्याचो अभ्यासक्रम सुरू करतली. मॅडम स्पीकर.
Yes, Honorable MLA, Ms. Prajakta.
Madam Speaker, the main objective in the 10th plan is to raise the enrollment in higher education of 18 to 23 year age group from present 6% to 10% by the end of the period. We have reached this 10th plan target many years back, but how the government intends to increase the percentage for the post-graduation studies?
Honorable CM, Mr. Naik.
Madam Speaker, Goa's gross enrollment ratio in higher and technical education between the ages of 18 to 23 years has also increased substantially from 12.66% in 2006 and 7 to 28.3% in 2012 and 13. It is interesting to note that the gross enrollment ratio for female students in Goa has consistently been higher than the gross enrollment ratio for male students.
Honorable MLA, Ms. Prajakta.
Madam Speaker, I have asked about how government intends to increase the percentage for the post-graduation studies. आज गरज आसा पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशनाची सीटा वाडोवपाची. ह्या खातीर सरकारान कितें केलां हें म्हाका जाणून घेवपाक जाय स्पीकर मॅडम.
Yes, Honorable CM, Mr. Naik.
Madam Speaker, the basic issue of quality improvement would be addressed through modernization of syllabi, increased research, networking of universities and departments, and increased allocation of funds. Networking through wide area network, local area network, information and library network would also lead to increased academic activities and research.
Yes, Honorable MLA, Mr. Vishwanath.
मॅडम स्पीकर, आताच आमच्या सीएमान सांगले की कमिटी फॉर्म केल्यान ते सगळे पळयतले म्हणून. ही बरी गोष्ट. पूण स्पीकर मॅडम, आयज जर आमच्या गोंयांत ज्यो गव्हर्नमेंट कॉलेजी आहा त्यांची जर स्थिती पळयली जाल्यार अत्यंत भयंकर स्थिती अशी आहा. आमच्या गव्हर्नमेंट कॉलेजींनी जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाय तेच ना. आता जे वयर फॅन लायला न्हू स्पीकर मॅडम, भुरगे सकट पेपर बरयता जाल्यार तो फॅन आतां पडटा काय मागे पडटा, आतां पडटा काय मागे पडटा अशी परिस्थिती आहा. तरी भुरगे आमचे पेपर बरयता आणि पास जाता.
Honorable MLA, तुमचा प्रश्न किती आसा?
स्पीकर मॅडम, ही जी परिस्थिती आहा ही केन्ना सुधारतली? बेस्ट कमिटी फॉर्म केले आणि फुडें जायना. ते सारखे सुधरूंक जाय न्हू. ही बेसिक फॅसिलिटी आहा त्यो.
Yes, Honorable CM, Mr. Naik.
Speaker Madam, as I have said, a committee has been appointed and they are working on the report. Then the report area पर I take action.
Honorable members, ask question one by one. It will be difficult for the Honorable Minister to understand it. Honorable Home Minister, Ms. Ravina.
Madam Speaker, in the last 5 years, the anti-narcotics cell has arrested 62 foreign nationals. 41 are released on bail. 10 are facing trial and in jail. Remaining 5 are sentenced to jail for 10 years. Out of these, 1 is acquitted by High Court. 4 have served imprisonment for 1 year. Those who die acquitted are also coming to Goa on student visa.
म्हणजे स्पीकर मॅडम, एज पर द मिनिस्टर्स रिप्लाय, 41 जाण जे आहा ते बेलीचेर आहा. 10 जाणांक कोर्टान निर्दोष सोडल्यार ते गोंयान आहा. ते गोंयान आसतले. पूण स्पीकर मॅडम, हे जे 10 जाणांक जेंका सोडल्या तेच परत त्या धंद्यान इन्वॉल्व जावं शकता.
Honorable MLA, let the Minister reply.
तो तेच एक धंद्यान ते परत इन्वॉल्व जावं शकता.
Minister will reply. You please sit down. Yes, Honorable Home Minister.
Madam Speaker, if they are acquitted by court, what we can do? Mostly foreign nationals are students who come on Minister.
Honorable MLA Ms. Urjita.
मॅडम स्पीकर
मॅडम स्पीकर, ह्या सरकाराच्याच काय मंत्री ड्रग्साच्या धंद्यान इन्वॉल्व आसा.
Honorable Opposition Leader, don't make baseless allegations. Maintain the decorum and dignity of the House. Please allow other MLAs to ask questions.
पण मॅडम स्पीकर, हांव खरें तेच सांगता न्हू.
स्पीकर मॅडम, दे आर मिसलिडिंग द हाऊस. हे कितें उलयतात तुमी?
Or Speaker Madam, आम्ही या धंद्यात involved
तुम्हीच या धंद्यात involved आसा.
Business नसताना कसले allegations करतात तुम्ही?
Honorable members, please. Honorable members, you please be seated. I will tell. Honorable MLA Ms. Karishma.
मॅडम स्पीकर, आमची मागणी आसा ड्रग्साचो इलिगल धंदो बंद करपाचो. मेन माफिया आसा तांकां तुमी धरिना. हे जे कोण बारीक सारीक ड्रग्स विकता तांकां तुमी धरता. पुलिसांक सरकाराक ड्रग माफिया कोण हे खबर आसा, तरी तांचेर कारवाई कित्याक जायना स्पीकर मॅडम?
Honorable Home Minister.
Madam Speaker, drugs mafia व drugs आपल्या घरात दवरिना. तांचे नेटवर्क असता. तांकां धरले जाल्यार प्रूफ ना म्हणून ते सुट्टात.
सुट्टात काय तुम्ही सोडटात? असे कितलेशेच पुलीस भरती केल्यात मरे तुम्ही, पूण तुमकां आजुनूय कोण सिंगम असो मेळना.
Honorable MLA Ms. Smita.
Madam Speaker, at any time government has questioned the source of income of these mafias, inquire how they are moving with a car value of ₹1 crore, how they have invested in industries.
Honorable Home Minister.
Madam Speaker, we have referred this matter to central government. It will definitely take some action.
Honorable MLA Mr. Minar.
Madam Speaker, it has been noticed that pharmacies around coastal areas are selling banned drugs. Some of the students buys morphine and other dangerous drugs from this pharmacy. I want to know what action has the government taken against this pharmacy.
Yes, Honorable Home Minister.
Madam Speaker, आमकां तशी काय अजून complaint येवंक ना. As and when the complaint is received by the government, we will take some action.
Star. Question number 4. Honorable MLA Mr. Vishwanath.
Start question number 4. Speaker Madam, will the Honorable Minister be pleased to state how many students have not got laptop from government in the academic year 2012-13 for higher secondary students? And second, when the government intends to provide the laptop for remaining students?
Honorable Education Minister Ms. Mehnaz.
Madam Speaker, out of 25,682 students in higher secondary, 20,122 have received the laptops. Only 4,072 have not received.
आणि हातूंतले कितले लॅपटॉप मोडल्या अशी कंप्लेंट तुमच्याकडे आयल्या?
Madam Speaker, हातूंतले 6,000 लॅपटॉप मोडला अशें कंप्लेंट आयल्या.
Honorable MLA Ms. Smita.
Madam Speaker, हे मोडके लॅपटॉप सरकार स्टुडंट्सांक कित्याक दिता?
Madam Speaker, आम्ही मोडके लॅपटॉप दिनात. Government has done a contract with a reputed company. The company is supplying the laptops. Sometimes there are some faults. The company is repairing it.
How much time is required to repair a laptop?
Madam Speaker, supply करपी कंपनी दिल्लीची. तांणी लोवेस्ट बीड कोट केला. तांचे गोंयांत रिपेर करपी सेंटर ना. हे सगळे लॅपटॉप दिल्ली धाडचे पडटा. 2-3 महिने तरी लागतले लॅपटॉप जावपाक सारखे.
Honorable Opposition Leader.
मॅडम स्पीकर, तुम्ही जर 25,000चा लॅपटॉप 15,000 रुपयांनी असं घेतला, म्हणजे 40 कोटीचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट त्या कंपनीक दिला. तेन्ना त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाक त्या कंपनीन गोंयांत रिपेर सेंटर ओपन करपाचे असो क्लॉज कित्याक घालूना?
मॅडम स्पीकर, कंपनी 6 महिन्या भितर रिपेर सेंटर घालतली. आता ते सेंटर हांगा ओपन जावपाचें आसा.
मॅडम